motel room, hotel, transit hotel. Seems to have a decent sort of a shower setup. Lots of shampoo, lots of beauty stuff, free toothbrushes and combs and water. Let's check the water pressure. Looks a blinder. And even has a hairdryer for those of you that need your hair dried. They have, however, given us 2 king singles. But I'll let her ladyship sleep on her own for a change. There's the blockhouse hotel I've got us in. It's alright, it's only overnight. The beds look comfortable, and as I showed you, the bathroom looks like a blinder. So we'll go and hit the fun. As you can see, ours is not the only apartment building around these parts. They're about 40 minutes, I think, maybe 20 minutes out of the airport, but no one really knows. I wasn't paying attention, but they do have parallel bars for gymnastics, which I guess is a Chinese thing. Temperature is about 23 degrees. It's 9 o'clock at night. It's not going to be cool, but the aircon is working, so the room will be nice. There's flowers just outside the lobby. There's a tree. What are they called? I'll put it in the bottom of the screen when I'm doing editing. Here in the emergency cupboard are a couple of face masks, breathing apparatus. I guess in case of a toxic fire, who knows? On the Skyliner, Narita Express perhaps, travelling in from the airport, or the aerodrome in Narita to Tokyo. Urban Outfits up there, you're right. Train going other way. Individual houses. Looks like units up there. Who knows? Very much the countryside along the way here. You can see the solar panels beside the train line. Just an endless number. A bit of horticulture by the way. Farming families. Little plots. Starting to get a lot more suburban now, as you can see up there.
This is a Skyliner.
Farming and high rise. They do intermingle here. Closer look at suburbia. There are other train lines intersecting. And it appears to be a waterway. Tokyo River maybe? I'll have a look. Well, Tokyo by night, so to speak. It's not that late, I think it's only just gone 7 o'clock local time. But it is a very quiet city. Don't know whether that's because of the large numbers of electric vehicles. See up the street there, it's very, very colourful and bright. We haven't got to the Shibuya crossing, that's in a couple of days' time. But it's just very calm and relaxing.